Oh, now we have started telling people. Okay. Oh, it's been a while, right? It's been a while. Now? Yay! Hi guys! Hi Bala! Okay. Hi guys. So, today I just want to wish all of you happy Daughter's Day. I'm so happy. This is the best gift of my life. Yes, this the best gift of my life. And இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு awareness create பண்ணோம். We should tell people how important and how beautiful girl children are. And நாங்கள் எது பிளானும் பண்ணல தட் பாய் வேணும் கேர்ள் வேணும், எந்த பேபி வந்தாலும் எங்களுக்கு ஒரு கிஃப்ட், ஒரு வரம் எங்களுக்கு. ஸோ I just want to say love your baby. Wi-Fi anyways like crying, no? Oh yeah. So I just want to wish each and every one of you ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு லைவ் எல்லாம் பண்ணி உங்ககிட்ட எல்லாம் பேசி. So yeah, she's the best thing in my life. And yeah, hi to everyone. Thank you. Hey Akira, you want to say hi? Hi. I understand. Amma, I feel the most strongest, the most beautiful and the most happy when I know who are waiting for me at home. And I think it's the best feeling in you. And that also. And but to be hugged and the hug and the kiss and hi dada. Best thing in the world. I don't need anything else in the world. And I just thought like if you see people out there who are ill-treating a child and the child is not sorry, but today is special because it's babies, girl babies. And
more people tend to be more either with
women.
Sorry
doggy.
He wants us to stand. Oh no, we'll stand.
So நிறைய பேர் வந்து they tend to be கொஞ்சம் biased when it comes to this. Don't be. They're the best gift in the world. And anything I think people who don't have only know.
Bye.
Thank you. So spread the word guys. I mean yeah, upcoming movies guys, come on, poster la potiruken paarenga neenga impromptu song onne adella varadu. So yeah, so thank you all guys. Just wanted to spread this, just say happy girl babies day. And Akira has been a blessing. And
all her other girl babies, Ula, Lily, Luna, Coco, Honey, Bubbles.
Kandipa I'm going to get scratched for this. Eppadi em per edukenge. So yeah, thank you guys. And any questions?
Okay, come, we'll walk.
Many people don't know this. Actually, Akira, today's one trivia I'll tell you all. Akira, the nickname, sometimes we call her Buttu. We call her Buttu because when Akira vayithla irukkuche, when we used to play the song in the car, ava kick பண்ணுவா Shruti vayithla. So appathilinde we started calling her this is Buttu because she loved that Buttu Bomma Telugu song. Ippa kuda amma avalukkaga Buttu Bomma song play பண்ணுவாங்க. So yeah, that's one trivia for you. Any other trivias baby?
What other trivia?
ఇంతకన్నా మంచిది పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లోగమ్మో అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదునమ్మో తెలుగు సాంగ్.
சாப்பிடும்போது யாரு பக்கத்துல உட்கார்ந்தாலும்
ஆமா, she's such a lovely child. சாப்பிடும்போது நீங்க பக்கத்துல உட்கார்ந்தீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா ஊட்டுவா. இப்ப சீன் போடுறா, பட் இட்ஸ் ஓகே. கண்டிப்பா சாப்பாடு ஊட்டுவா. she's so caring. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Which song to sing? I don't know. So many songs. ஒரு தெய்வம் தந்த பூவே கண்ணில் தேடல் என்ன தாயே வாழ்வு வாழ்வு தொடங்கும் இடம் நீதானே வானம் முடியும் நேரம். Somebody asked me a question, did you exercise today? Story பாத்தீங்களா? எனக்கு see இது கூட clear பண்ணிடலாம்.
Maybe your other daughter is here.
Hola, come here. You, my baby.
வாடிங்க. She's one tantrum daughter. எக்ஸசைஸ் நான் வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு சில பேருக்கு புரியாது. சில பேர் வந்து என்ன இது டிட் யூன்னு கேட்குறீங்க. ஸோ அகைன் ஃபார் ஆல் த பீப்புள் ஆர் தேர், நீங்கள் இஃப் யூர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஃபாலோயிங் மீ, நான் எல்லாரும் என் ஃபேமுக்கு நான் வந்து டெய்லி ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்பேன், மோஸ்ட்லி டெய்லி, தட் டிட் யூ பர்ன் த கேலரிஸ், டிட் யூ டூ சம்திங் தட் யூ பர்ன் கேலரிஸ்? நோ. ஷுடன்ட் யூ ஷுட் பெட்டர் கோ டூ. I also do that. Today எனக்கு என் வைஃப் வந்து எல்லா வண்டியும் க்ளீன் பண்ண வச்சிட்டா. ஸோ
அட பாவி, நான் பண்ணாதேன்னு சொன்னேன்.
ஆமா. Did you? Yes, I did. Did you? Did you guys do? Okay, shouldn't you? Yeah. Hi guys. Hello. So spread the word guys today. Suppose if நீங்க வந்து if you see somebody ill-treating children, girl children especially, please.
Not just children, even puppies.
Now she came matnadi. This is my daughter.
First daughter.
Hola.
This is Ula, people. My first daughter. My love, my sweetu. You know, you're rumba jealous actually. She's a little jealous of Akira. She doesn't like sharing mama, papa. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Ula's also reading, Shruti. Show us Akira, Shruti. She doesn't want to see my face. Show Akira. Too much dialogue. Too much dialogue.
She loves doing that Ula.
Tell one couple goals tip.
Couple goals tipper. என்ன tip?
There is no tip. In the wife and the, you know, when you see those, அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு லைன் போட்டால் தான் பிரச்சனை. Your friend, you're married to your friend. அதுதான், you don't think of it அவ்வளோ காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடா. அந்த மாதிரி ஹையார்கி நீங்கள் நினச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா, பொண்டாட்டினா அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும், ஹஸ்பண்ட்னா அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும், அப்படியெல்லாம் யோசிச்சிங்கன்னா தான் தலைவலி. Don't think like that. Yeah, think, give love, get love. Hi Abhinav bro, what's up? And again she's gone there. So yeah, today's been a really long day, and I just wanted to say, I'll tell all you people, a very special day. So yeah, and I feel I am blessed. I am so blessed. And நீங்க எல்லாரும் வந்து அகீராக்கு எவ்வளோ லவ் ஷவர் பண்ணுவீங்க, அதெல்லாம் பார்த்து makes me feel so nice. Yeah, so thank you. And also poster also I wanted to tell you guys, recently my படத்தோட posters, Vasco da Gama படத்தோட posters release ஆச்சு. So you guys are so lovely. நிறைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் வந்தது, showered so much love on me. Thank you so much. And I hope, I'm sure you will like the film also. Yeah. Bro, sing one song. Ananda. Again she'll throw something from there. You really want me to tell your name? Kirti. Okay, Kirti. Thanks guys, thank you so much. And baby, let them tell bye to Akira, no? Madam is busy pulling, pushing, tearing, throwing. Yeah, wanna see Akira, please.
Say
There you go.
Good night. See that.
So there you go. So thank you guys, thank you so much for all your love. And Nadula Konjo, I was a little busy, preoccupied, many things. So still a time when I tend to go on and off. But yeah, thank you so much for your love. Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Akira.
Is your Bluetooth something here?
Did you bring my Bluetooth headset here?
I did.
You want that headset over here?
நான் கொண்டு வரல.
Up here. Sorry, anyways, we'll do this again. Mwah. See you. We'll do this again. Okay? See you soon, guys. I love you. Bye.